Building a truly fast web application often feels like a battle on two fronts, the initial page load and the ongoing user interaction. A powerful combination for winning this battle is Next.js paired with Zustand for state management. Let's break down why this duo is so effective. First, you have Next.js, a React framework fundamentally engineered for performance. It's not just about writing components, it's about how those components are delivered to the user. Next.js offers powerful rendering strategies like server-side rendering and static site generation. This means pages can be pre-built or prepared on a server, so the user gets a fully formed page almost instantly, instead of waiting for a blank screen to fill up. Recent versions, like Next.js 16, have pushed this even further. They've introduced a Rust-based build system called TurboPack, which dramatically cuts down development and build times. We're talking up to 10 times faster refreshes. And with features like partial pre-rendering, you get the best of both worlds, an instant static page load with dynamic interactive parts streamed in right after. It even optimizes images automatically, resizing and compressing them on the fly, and only loading them when they're about to scroll into view. It's a whole suite of optimizations working together to make that initial user experience incredibly snappy. But a fast load time is only half the story. Once the user is interacting with your app, performance is all about state management. This is where many apps get bogged down. Traditional solutions can be heavy, with large bundle sizes and a tendency to cause unnecessary re-renders, making the app feel sluggish. This is where Zustand comes in. Its name means state in German, and its philosophy is minimalism. With a tiny footprint of just around 3 kilobytes, it adds almost no weight to your application. But its real magic lies in how it handles updates. Zustand uses a subscription model that is surgically precise. A component re-renders if the specific piece of state it's subscribed to actually changes. If one part of your user profile updates, only the components displaying that specific part will refresh, not the entire profile card. This avoids the cascade of re-renders that can cripple performance in complex applications. So how do you put them together? The integration is straightforward. You install Zustand, create a simple file to define your store, what data it holds, and the functions that change it, and then you use it in your components. However, there's one critical detail when using Next.js on a server. You can't have one global store for every user. That would be a massive data leak. The solution is to create a new and isolated store for every single request. This is the most important pattern to get right. You create a structure that provides a fresh store instance for each user session, ensuring data is kept separate and secure. Inside your components, you must be specific. Don't just grab the entire state object, select only the individual values you need. For multiple values, a hook called useShallow ensures your component doesn't re-render unless the underlying data has actually changed. By combining the architectural speed of Next.js with the precise, lightweight updates of Zustand, you create a foundation for applications that feel instantaneous. Next.js handles the heavy lifting of optimized delivery, while Zustand ensures that once the app is running, it stays fluid and responsive. It's a modern, powerful stack for building experiences that don't just work, but fly.